If you have an account of Pennymac and if you're trying to log into your account, then in this video I'm going to show you the exact process that you need to follow. This is going to be a short and easy video, and by the end of this video you'll be successfully logged in to your Pennymac Mortgage account. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Search for pennymac.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to its website. Now from the website on the top right, you will see this login/register. You can click on this option and it's going to show you this menu. From here you can either apply if you haven't applied or registered for the mortgage account of Pennymac. If you already have an account, click on my account. And it's going to take you to the section of login. In the first box you need to type in the username, and in the second box type in the password. If you don't remember your username, you can click on the forgot username option, or if you don't remember the password, you can click on the forgot password option and then follow simple steps to recover either your username or your password. And lastly, if you want this device to remember you, the next time you open up, you can check this box. After you fill in both of your credentials, you can click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your mortgage account of Pennymac. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.